Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Yoli. I am so excited for this week. It's been a crazy week. I mean, Instagram shutting down. That was horrible. I thought I got hacked because I couldn't log into my account and I couldn't post anything, obviously. Let's see what else. Oh, we spring forward. So yes, we are now closer to spring and then the summer, which is my favorite time of the year, spring and summer, both in combined because I get to create these beautiful, smoky, kind of bronzy looks. And at the same time, the sun is out, you go to the beach, you get a tan, everything is beautiful. And what else did I do? Oh, I got some new products and that is what I'm going to show you today, how I created this look using the 35G Bronze Goals, Morphe palette. Yes, it is this beauty right here, which I'm really excited about. And when you open it, you have all these beautiful colors right here, as you can see. And I dabbled in a couple of them, which is always great. So I wanted to create a look based off this palette, the Bronze Goals palette, and here's what I came up with. So if you guys want to know how I created this nice bronzy look, then keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think by commenting below. I appreciate you guys for all of your support, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so the first color I'm using out of the 35G Bronze Goals Morphe palette is Deserted, and I'm using that as my transition color. I took a fluffy brush and all I'm doing is just packing it in so I can begin to create that nice smoky eye. The next color that I'm using is Naked, and I'm just using that mostly for the outer corner crease, just to kind of intensify it and build upon that smoky eye. As you can see, it's becoming really dark right on the outer corners. The next color I'm using is Tan Up, and I'm using a tapered pencil brush. And with this, I'm using it directly right in the outer corners of the eyes, and I'm focusing solely on that area just to kind of build it and to kind of intensify that smoky eye even more. What I also used was Deep End, that black color, and I focused it really on that outer corner just to make it pop. To add some pop and shimmer to this color, I'm using Summer Vibes and Rays right on my lid, and I'm going in between both colors to kind of give it more vibrancy, more pigment, and to make this look come all together. For my brows, I'm using Moira, and it's a 3-in-1 Perfect Brow, and it's just a dark brown. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill in my brows, brush it out, and kind of make sure that they look nice and sharp. And now to make my brows nice and sharp and clean, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. For my face primer, I'm going in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer, and I'm using that for my base so that my foundation lays amazingly. For my foundation, I decided to use my Hudabeauty Toffee foundation. I don't know why, I just love this foundation so much. And I'm using my beauty blender to kind of buff it in to make sure that it looks nice and even toned as well as flawless. For my concealer, I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And for my contour, I'm going in with Milk Makeup, and I'm using Flex Concealer in color Warm Deep. And now I'm using my beauty blender to buff it all in so that it all looks even and it all looks blended in well. Now I'm trying my new Morphe bronzer. Yes, I'm so excited I picked this bad boy up. It's called Glamabronze, and it's a face and body bronzer. The color I think is called Phenom, and I'm really loving it. Let me just say that this is really pigmented. One swipe and you've got enough to cover your whole entire face, no lie. But I mean, I'm loving it. It gives me everything that I want in a bronzer, and I really don't have to build too much. As you can see, I just keep buffing it out. To give my cheeks a nice flush kind of cheeky look, I went into my ColourPop cosmetic palette and I just dived into the colors that I have there. Usually go into my signature colors, and I applied some blush on the apples of my cheeks and fanned it outwardly. Okay, usually I'm not a liner kind of person, and I don't usually use any kind of pencils to kind of rim my waterline. Usually I just use a lot of powders, but this Khol eyeliner, I mean, I'm loving it right now. It added so much depth to this look. One of my guilty pleasures, I must admit, I went back to Sephora and I picked up another Hudabeauty Contour and Strobe lip set. I am fascinated by these lip kits. I can't even describe it right now. So the lip contour that I'm using right now is called Trendsetter, and I must say it pulled this whole look together. The second step for this lip set trio is the liquid matte lipstick, and you just apply it right on top of that lip contour. Okay, the third step is the Strobe. This gloss is everything. I mean, look at it. It is just, I can't even say anything about it. I mean, it's just so beautiful, this gloss. I wonder what it looks like alone. And to finish off this look, I'm using the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. And I love the bottle. It's so it's so glittery and beautiful. Obviously, the setting spray itself is not glittery, but the bottle, the way it comes packaged, is really, really pretty, and I love it. It creates a nice dewy effect. And voila, there you go. There you have it. I used the 35G Bronze Goals Morphe palette to create this beautiful look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think. Thank you.